Welcome to the Fire Safety Event 2022 here at the NEC Birmingham. I'm currently standing in the middle of the Passive Fire Theatre, hosted and supported by the ASFP. Over the next 3 days there'll be presentations and conversations all to do with everything passive fire. So this is the theatre. Let's have a quick walk over to the ASFP stand where people can come and talk to us about membership, training. Members that are currently members of the ASFP can come and talk to us because, of course, we're always happy to see our members. And part of these shows is actually to do with engagement. And we're really pleased that our members want to engage with us and talk to us about what we're currently doing. There are quite a few of our members here at the show, and we'll be talking to those and going to see them, meeting them, talking to them about what's important to them. We're here with ROCKWOOL. We're here with Will, who is in marketing at ROCKWOOL. Will, what are you looking forward to for the next 3 days?
Well, it's just nice to be back out at these kind of events. Looking to meet some good people. We've got a new Silicon X product that we're looking to demonstrate here as a sustainable packaging. And yeah, there's just a lot on our stand, so come down and see us.
Brilliant. So Silicon X is a new product. What does it do?
So it's for linear gap seals, and it's got a new packaging that's recyclable. So the plastic is 100% recyclable of this.
I'm with my friend James Brooks from Cooper's Fire. James, hello.
Hi Mike, good to see you.
So we're day one of the fire safety event.
Yeah.
What do you hope to get from the show over the next 3 days?
Well, hopefully to spread our name, brand promotion, find some new contacts out there, talk to fire engineers, talk to people that have got projects in UK and maybe some international projects if possible.
Award-winning ASFP member, I think. Andrew, we're here at the fire safety event again for 2022. So the last one was towards the end of last year. What do you think the next 3 days are going to give us?
Well, hopefully it's given us an insight into how healthy the industry is at the moment and how buoyant it is. Hopefully we'll have some good footfall over the next 3 days. Initial impressions are very good, so it seems to be a good take-up. I like the way it's been laid out as well with the conferencing elements, and you've got that circulation then between each of the different conferencing areas. That seems to be quite good. Obviously I'm giving a talk tomorrow myself. We're on these things, CPVC pipes and the cross-contamination issue mainly. But yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
I'm here with Dan Rossiter from BSI, and Dan has just finished giving a presentation in the Passive Fire Theatre for ASFP. Dan, hello.
Hello, hi Mike, how are we doing?
I'm very good. So in terms of your presentation, do you want to give us a brief synopsis of what it was about?
Yeah, so what we're trying to do at British Standards, we're putting a lot of focus around how we can help product manufacturers with traceability of their products. As you're no doubt aware, there's large regulatory reform, the world's changing, and we're trying to develop a service to try to help in this kind of new world.
So I'm here with Philip from the CCPI. You've just done a presentation in the Passive Fire Theatre for the ASFP. We'll broadcast that at a later date, but just for everyone's benefit who will be possibly looking to watch it, do you just want to quickly tell us the major points that you covered in today's presentation?
Yeah, thanks Mike. And so today what we talked about was the development of the Code for Construction Product Information, which was a really important development coming out of the Grenfell fire and meeting Dame Judith Hackett's requirement, and for both products and also the golden thread. So today I just introduced the code, our assurance processes, how we go about it, what our objectives are, and really how that links into the golden thread for people, because that really builds value in CCPI and the work that organisations have to do. And I also talked a little bit about how we're working with some of the regulators too, to ensure that what we're doing both with the code and through our assurance processes can be relied upon by regulators. That's not to say that they'll use it as a tool to say you're compliant with the code for the construction product regulations, but it will give an indication to them that people are doing the right things.
3 days. We might pop back and see you at the end of the 3 days and let us know how you get on. In terms of things going on in the industry, what do you think the sort of key messages are for this show?
Well, I think it's. Fire stopping's never been more important. The post-Grenfell world that we live in now. I think people are more aware of regulations, more aware of these products, more aware of what they do, and they're more keen to get things right as well. And that's where we come in to help. We've got a team of experts. We've got a fire design team in-house to help people with specification. We should be a sort of one-stop shop for all your fire stopping needs.
What do you think some of the critical discussion points are going to be for the next 3 days?
For us, it's about compliance and competence. So how do we demonstrate compliance in relation to the industry as a whole, and then specific projects and specific clients. So for me, I'm promoting fire scrutineer, and the fire scrutineer element is all about compliance and competence, really, within a project type approach. So I think for me, that is the key driver for us as an industry. Obviously, there's an area of change with the legislation and building safety bill and some of the uncertainties that are coming through on that. So building safety management not being pushed through. So we've got to see how that's going to develop. I think for me, there's too many uncertainties still, and we've got that indecisiveness particularly from government and legislators, which is not good. But I think collectively we're all, as manufacturers and installers, trying to move the industry in the right direction.
Just want to quickly brief us on what you're going to be talking about in your presentation tomorrow.
I'll be talking about CPVC pipes, a sprinkler pipe, which are, if you're in the industry, are relatively well known. But these have been installed in the UK since about '98. First site was in central London in Marble Arch. Now, they're a fantastic product. We all want sprinklers in buildings. However, we as installers and manufacturers need to be very aware of the pitfalls of these products, which is mostly linked around the compatibility of this product. So I'll be talking about that, and a case study really on the lessons we learned from 2013-14 when we had some major interactions with these products. At that time, there was no support in the UK.
And do you remember what time you're on? Because I'll be honest, I don't. I'm asking.
2:30, I think.
Okay, so you're on at 2:30 at the ASFP Passive Fire Theatre. Excellent. Well, also we've been giving our members on the stand this wonderful ASFP member board, and as you can see, James has got it proudly displayed on their stand here. So, James, what we'll do is we'll come and talk to you on Thursday, the final day of the show, and we'll ask you how you've got on. In the meantime, best of luck.
Brilliant. Thank you.